Good morning everybody. Myself Vishwendra, I am the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Today we will discuss a question on vectors. So you are being given two vectors. Vector A is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and vector B is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. You need to find A, B, A dot B and A cross B. As I have already told you that whenever you solve a problem, your mind follows 4 steps, and depending on the interrelation and synchronization of the 4 steps, you are a good problem solver or a bad problem solver. So if you want to be a good problem solver, be an expert in the 4 processes. The first process is a silent mind. The second process is generating the idea of solving question. The third is retrieving information from your mind, and the fourth is calculation. So we'll start with a silent mind. So let's be silent for 10 seconds. Now let's work on the idea. So the idea is that A and B are the magnitudes of vector A and vector B. So just think how to find magnitude of a vector. And the third is A dot B. Just think how to find the dot product, how to find the cross product. Let's move to the information part. We know that if there is a vector A is equal to A1ik plus A2jk plus A3k, then the magnitude is given by mod of vector A is equal to root under A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. So in this way you can use this result. Similarly for two vectors, vector A is A1ik plus A2jk plus A3k, vector B is B1ik plus B2jk plus B3k, then A dot B can be defined as A1b1 plus A2b2 plus A3b2. So you can use this result also. Third is A and B are given, so A cross B is given by this determinant. Now let's work on the solution. So vector A is given to be this, substitute the values. We have mod A 29, mod B root 14, A dot B as 16 and A cross B as 5i plus 10j plus 5k. You can do the magnitude as root of 150. So you have seen I am solving questions in front of you. So if you want to be a good problem solver, be a master in these 4 processes, and you can also be a good problem solver. So work on the 4 processes which are silent mind, idea, information and calculation, and test yourself furiously. Don't run away from your weaknesses, otherwise you won't be able to perform in your exams. You can't escape yourself. You can befool anybody in the world except you. Don't try to befool yourself. Learn the art of problem solving skills and be personally and professionally benefited. Thank you and have a nice day.